For what?
Go ahead and step out of the car for me, okay?
For what? Am I being detained?
Yes, sir.
For what crime?
You were
For what crime?
interfering with my traffic stop.
Okay.
Okay, you were behind my back. I asked you to move on. I told you could go over there.
Oh, you gonna love me after today. Come on.
All right, that's fine.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. A little over a year ago, this guy sent me this video. He asked me if I can share it. I had saved the video on one of my hard drives, but that hard drive got messed up. I recently fixed it and found a whole bunch of stuff that I never posted. So as I'm looking at this video, I try to find the original channel and I can't seem to find it anywhere. If this guy changed his channel name, if any of you guys know about his well-being, please let us know in the comment section. I'm gonna go ahead and share this video because I think it's a unlawful arrest. The guy was just sitting there recording, not doing anything at all, not saying anything to anyone, and the cops decide to arrest this guy. Let's go ahead and watch this short video. I'll give you my final thoughts at the end. Let's get right to it, folks.
Oh, okay. I didn't know I got that close. I'm not trying to argue. I don't want to get no more.
Alright, coordination on Friday, September the 17th, between 9 and 12 on
Who are you recording, bud?
Alright. Hey, sir, if you can
Hey, yeah, if you don't mind, I don't feel like being
okay?
recorded. You take your fat ass and get the fuck out of here. I don't want to be recorded. Now get the fuck out of here. What do I do? I want to talk to you about
Hey, Mr. Honeycutt, you need to get on, okay?
No, I don't.
Yeah, I know who you are.
Call a
I'll take the
supervisor.
Chevrolet and drive it up your goddamn
You're in my
back.
traffic stop, okay?
Get the
And I
fuck
just-
out of here.
Hey, stand. Hey, just hang tight. I got this.
Chevrolet,
Mr. Honeycutt,
right
you
up
can
your
record
back.
all day long over there, okay?
Nope.
All right, that's fine.
I'm
I'm there, supervisor.
Then he has
I don't know. I'm sitting there trying to talk to them because I got this fat ass redneck fuck sitting there.
Traffic stop.
Hey, motherfucker, tell your mama I said hey because my nuts was in her mouth last night.
This dude is being vulgar as fuck. He said his nuts were in the gentleman's mom's mouth last night. Now we have a dumb cop and a dumb guy who clearly doesn't operate his motor vehicle safely on the road, who doesn't know anything about the First Amendment. We get a double whammy on this video. This is a horrible interaction in more than one way.
All right, with that being said, no, that's all right.
I don't worry about that. That's a ridiculous fuck. I don't know.
I'm going to take care of it. I'm going to take care of it, okay? All right, so I'm going to let you know you guys are everything else.
Make sure you don't, you can't drive off there. Not if
Hey, Mr. Honeycutt, if you go ahead and step out of the car for me.
For what?
Go ahead and step out of the car for me, okay?
For what? Am I being detained?
Yes, sir.
For what crime?
You were
For what crime?
interfering with my traffic stop.
Okay.
Okay, you were behind my back. I asked you to move on. I told you could go over there.
Oh, you gonna love me after today. Come on.
All right, that's fine. Go ahead and step out.
You gonna love me, buddy.
All right, put everything in right there, okay?
I do not consent to any searches or seizures,
That's fine, okay?
so you can't go in my pockets.
That's fine, but you are under arrest right now, okay?
Oh, really?
Yep.
Call your supervisor.
I will. Put your hands behind your back. Right, Advanced Auto Parts. Lay that down. I don't want your phone to get messed up.
Don't turn it off.
Because we couldn't find the original video, there's not much information regarding this cop's name and badge number, but we did find the badge and we did find which department this was. So we're going to include that for you guys in case you want to redress your grievances. This is in Monroe, North Carolina, and this happened right in front of the Advanced Auto Parts store. Like I said, this video was sent to me about a year ago. We don't know what happened to this guy. If anybody knows what happened to him afterwards, if there's an update, please let us know so we can include it in the comment section. I'll pin it to the top. And this is why I say that it's important for cops to know and understand what the First Amendment is. They should not be given a gun and a badge without knowing that the people have natural rights. The man was just sitting there recording, not doing anything wrong, not saying anything to anyone, practicing his First Amendment, because freedom of press is part of the First Amendment, folks. You don't need press credentials. You don't need a press pass to record in public. With that being said, I want to thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. If we find out more regarding this guy, we will give you guys an update. Make sure you always record the police. Don't answer their questions. Have yourself a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.